What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this chrome saddlebag latch and replace it with this black one. Let's get busy. All right, kinfolk. So this shouldn't take long at all, man. These here I got off of Amazon, and they are aluminum black saddlebag latches. Look at it close up in there. Nice aluminum. They got the little ridges right here. I didn't get the ones with the was it like a cutout or with
stainless steel?
Yeah, with some steel showing and stuff. I didn't get those. I got all black. I don't know part number or anything, man. Just, I mean, on Amazon. So
we'll link it down below. We'll find the link.
Find it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find it and link it down below. So that's what we're gonna do, and it shouldn't take long, man. This should be a real easy install. First thing you got to do is, of course, open your saddlebag latch up, or your saddlebag lid. The latch is held on with this T20 bolt. So you just take this joker, loosen it, take it off. It's going to come out. Now I'm going to see, I want to try to use the original hardware. And of course it doesn't fit, so I guess the threads are different. They do send you mounting hardware in here, so I guess we'll be using these, and this is an Allen head, so we're gonna have to switch it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop this off real quick. So in order to pop this off, just take it, should be able just to pull it straight out, just like that. So this has an O-ring. Again, I'm going to see if this one will fit that one so I can use the original O-ring. If not, they do send some with it, so we'll use those. But let me go ahead and get the new one set up, get the right Allen head, and then we'll get it in there. Alright, so I was able to use the same O-ring. In here, man, it only goes one way. So it's got the teeth on the back side and then this flat spot. So that's gonna go just like this here. So you can't get it mixed up because it'll only go one way. So let's push this in there. There you go. Now let me get the bolt in. So the reason I wanted to use the original O-ring is because if you look at this, that's how thin that one is. So yeah, the original one is way thicker. Of course, we're gonna use some Loctite.
Which is Loctite.
Which is Loctite. It on. What the fuck? There it goes. Alright, give her a little squeeze on there. And then it also comes with the washer. So we are putting the washer on there as well.
What size tool?
This is a 2.5 millimeter.
Alright.
Son of a... Get in there and get it nice and tight. And that's it. Check it. Make sure it latches. Alright, kinfolk. I installed the other side already. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is not a long video at all, man. But it's a great little addition to your bike if you want to start blacking out stuff on your bike. But bam. Let's see the other side. Same thing. But bam. It's got a nice tight fit, man. And they look pretty good quality. So like I said, they're aluminum. So that's nice, man. And they're nice and thick. They feel really good. So for Amazon buy, Amazon purchase, not too bad. So that's another addition to the bike. 2019 Road Glide Special. I still got some more stuff to do to her, but it's coming along. So until next time, kinfolk, I hope you enjoyed that, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video if you really liked it, and that way it can help out some other people if they're looking to do stuff like this. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.